Purple jalapeno. I'm letting this from fruit, but look at this. It's fruity. It's a jalapeno. See? Look at that. That's the 7-pot yellow, labeled as extremely hot. This is the chittle pin, or I don't know if I'm pronouncing it. These chittle pins are small but deadly. That's just the Thai pepper that's gonna do its thing. I have hope for you. This one is the Naga purple. It's looking so good. That one's the Gibraltar, whatever, the Rock of Gibraltar, blah, blah, blah. Gibraltar pepper, Naga, Gibraltar Naga, yes. And of course, this one is what? Oh, the chocolate ghost. And that over there is the pink tiger. This is the first bed. I just transplanted the Naga purple over here to get some more sun, do its thing. That's the Hurtberry. No, that's the Carolina Reaper, white and yellow. This is the Mirasol, meaning facing the sun. The Dragon's Breath. Oh, Antis, get out of here, Antis. You really are getting on my nerves. And this is the Ahi Cachucha. So I have these in separate pots because I like them to be undisturbed. And that one's the Naga purple, the Carolina Reaper white, the pink tiger, the Dragon's Breath, the chocolate ghost, the devil's tongue, the Jonah's yellow, another propagation project, and a Thai pepper. Yes, I have that knowledge. I hold the secret to life itself. Yo, the cops are after me because I've done this. Yo. Yo, shut up.